Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your INFINIX Note 60. First, what you guys want to do is adjust media and the call volume. So first, we're going to start off with the call volume because you do that in a different app. What we're going to do is we're going to go over, open up the phone app right here. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to press the volume up. Now once we see the phone icon, then we know for a fact that we are changing the call volume and make sure that it's maxed out. We're going to go to settings, and in the settings we're going to simply go and scroll to sound and vibration. Here in the volume adjustment section, the first option will be the media volume, and here I don't really want to max it out. I always keep it at half, but if you want to max it out, then it's your choice to do that. And you simply do that by swiping to the right. Now, once you swipe to the right, what you guys want to do is make sure that your Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. So it's right here, right at the top. And if it's enabled, then the switch will be green and you will see the moon icon. And if it's disabled, then there will be no icon and the switch will be gray. So we want to keep it that way. Now we want to clean the speakers or a headphone port, and in this case here we have one speaker grill, here we have the second speaker grill, and the only headphone port that you can use here is the USB-C, so make sure that you clean it, and it is very important that you use a soft brush for all three of these. Now what are we going to do next is simply go over and restart our phone to refresh the system. We're going to press the power button and keep on holding it until we see the power menu pop up. So now we are just pressing on restart, and we're tapping again to restart the phone. Now it is turning off and turning on again, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is fully done. After the restart, we're simply going to go and, as a last resort, update our software to fix any audio glitches. So go to settings, here click on INFINIX Note 60 and click check for updates. Now as you guys can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because you want to make sure that you keep up with the latest updates. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.